All right, guys, this is my first video. I know some of you guys are a little anxious or a little worried about Google Classroom and how to get signed up. This little tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the setup process for Google Classroom. So I started with I'm just at Google. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to, let me erase this, you want to go to classroom.google.com. Make sure, see when it signed me in under my personal Gmail. I don't want my personal Gmail. Every student and staff member that works for Mason County Schools has their own Google password or their own Google account. So let me change this to Google. I'm sorry, to the Mason County email. So it's the one that ends in Meso. So everyone has an at Meso. So I want to click on that one. And this loads me directly into my Google Classroom. And you see, I already have two classes. I have this one and I have the human anatomy class, okay? But I want to make another one. And this is exactly how you would make one. So you click on the plus. The plus is up in the right-hand corner. So you click on the plus, and you have two options. You can either join a class or you can create a class. Okay? You want to create a class. So click on create a class. Okay, at this point, let me erase all these circles. Okay, at this point, you're going to want to name your class. So this class will be, let's name it English, 5th period. Okay, you don't have to fill out the section, the subject, or the room number. All that's optional. So once you do that, you hit create and give it a second. See, it's creating. Okay. So once it is created, it loads you right into the classroom. So this is your English 5th period class. Okay. So if you want the kids to join this classroom, so everyone in your 5th period, you want them to join this Google class, what you want to do is give them this code. Okay. Each of your class periods will have a special unique code. So you want to provide them with that code. If you notice this button, let me get a red color, this little square, if you click on that, it blows it up so you can project it on your smartboard. So kids, your students would log into classroom.google.com. I'll write that down. Classroom.google.com. They have to sign in with their @Meso address. So they can't use a personal Gmail account. They have to use their @Meso account. So they use their @Meso account. They click on the plus like you did previously. And instead of them creating an account or creating a class, they're going to join a classroom. And then it'll ask for the class's code. And this is the class code for English 5th period, the one that I created. Okay, so that's just a brief tutorial on how to get it set up, how to get it started. I'll make another video. I'll try to keep these under 5 minutes, another video of how to upload assignments and get that stuff started.